I enjoyed the words of Minister Bennett, Chief Scientist Chasson. Ladies and gentlemen, Noble is proud to participate in this important effort spearheaded by the Ministry of Economy. Minister Bennett and Chief Scientist Avi Chasson have done an excellent job in bringing us all together. Our participation in this conference provides an opportunity to share Noble's vision, not only for developing Israel's natural resources, but for integrating the country's human capital into our exploration and production efforts, both here and globally. The oil and gas industry in Israel is only in its infancy. It is Noble Energy's desire to work in partnership with the government and people of Israel to develop a robust and sustainable exploration and production industry here in Israel that will last long beyond the gas, which will last much longer than 20 years. To us, that means maximal and optimal field development, additional operators making successful discoveries, and developing infrastructure, thereby increasing competition and further legitimizing the basin. It means increasing local demand in electricity production, in industry, and in transportation. It also means exporting gas through regional pipeline projects that will provide geopolitical benefits and beyond through LNG. Most importantly, it means relying on the local talent pool. In the past 3 years, Noble has more than tripled its domestic workforce from less than 50 Israeli employees to more than 150. At the same time, we have utilized more and more local vendors in our efforts here. Today, 61% of our offshore employees are Israeli, something that would have been unimaginable when we first started producing from Yam Tethys in 2004. This is a good beginning, but it's just that, a beginning, as Avi Chasson said. There is much more to do. For many years, before and even since our discoveries, as has been alluded, many people thought that the oil and gas industry was not something that they would want to work in. Many talented Israelis, like Minister Bennett, saw the allure in the high-tech sector. We in this room need to recognize that the oil and gas industry is not here to replace the high-tech sector. The oil and gas industry is part of the high-tech sector. Today, we are drilling in more than 1,700 meters of water, more than 5,000 meters below the surface of the sea. That could only be done because of innovation and technology advances. It is Noble's desire to see the technologies developed here in Israel integrated into our exploration production activities here and everywhere that we operate globally. There is no question that this process will take time and will face challenges. Noble Energy is committed to working with the government of Israel to overcome those challenges and with all of you to find the relevant technologies to use in our efforts. I congratulate Minister Bennett, Avi Chasson, and his team for putting this conference together. This is an important step in writing the next chapter of our successful partnership together. We wish you a very good conference, and Patrick Cook, our Director of Operations, will be presenting this afternoon and will show some of the many efforts that we're going and how those technologies can be integrated. Thank you very much.